It's time to make more laundry detergent and dish detergent. Laundry detergent first. We are going to grate half a bar of Castile soap. (10 to 20 drops of essential oil in your Castile soap. Add this before you add all of your other dry ingredients. Put the top back on. Shake it up. 1 cup washing soda, a 1/2 cup borax, a 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/4 cup salt, shake it good. This usually lasts me about a month. Use about 2 to 3 tablespoons for a regular top load washer, and then up to 2 tablespoons for an HE washer. Do not use more than 2 tablespoons for an HE. Now time to make dishwasher detergent. 1 cup washing soda, 1 cup borax, a 1/2 cup of citric acid, 1/2 cup salt. And then you can add some essential oils, about 10 drops. Put the top on it, shake it up. I use about 1 tablespoon per load, and if you want to use a rinse aid, you can use white vinegar as the rinse aid.